Friends, Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday trade setup Nifty 50. This is Nifty 50 future chart and 30 minutes time frame. This is market profile normal chart. Unable to make a video on Thursday about Friday's that view, and see Friday we not given any reversal trade in Nifty. BNB is just a box fee trade, but that is didn't happen in Bank Nifty. But other than that, we not posted any reversal trade. Why? Why? Because this market profile will give us if the reversal is there or not. No indicator, no one indicator like Bollinger Band, Super Trend, RSA, MACD. These indicators will give you the wrong signal, false signals. But this market profile will give you always right signal. Once you learn, once you implement this market profile in the live market, you will get that information when you have to trade reversal. Okay, anyhow, Thursday we given reversal when market was moving up. That time we Thursday, I think Thursday or Wednesday, you go and cross check in Telegram channel. Do like our channel, subscribe our channel, comment your valuable feedback in comment box, spread our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Okay. So whenever we find any reversal, then we post in Telegram channel. Join Telegram channel also. You will get live support that we already provided on Thursday. I think Thursday or Wednesday. I think so. This structure shows a weaker structure. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is might be a profit booking day or might be some sentimental emotional buying was happen on the particular profile. This is a Friday's profile. That's profile itself providing the information that this is something related to emotion, and this is a or profit booking, not a good bullish momentum in Nifty 50. Bank Nifty is, I do agree that there is a good bullish momentum, but in Nifty 50 there is no bullish momentum. Hope this could be a 80% chance of profit booking. That means short covering rally or some news based buying was happen on Friday. See, so whenever this type of anomalies is coming, it will repair the structure T plus 2 days or T plus 3 days. We don't know when. But almost, see here, you just watch. This is the structure the same, right? One gap, 1, 2, and 3. Next day, the 50% was done, and very next day, the repair was done here. So within 2 days, this profile repair was happened. You go and cross check. This is a beauty of market profile. This is a beauty of market profile. Okay, see here, one. Sorry, this is not that structure. You can go and cross check wherever you want. There you will get a clear information. The emotional people are sitting, and that structure could be cleared. See beauty of market profile. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, market opened here and closed here. Next day market opened gap up. Then see the entire structure was repaired on the next day itself. Like this, you get a more information. So I am trying to provide a part-based market profile classes. So that I am just planning. Once I done, I will post in the YouTube channel. What could be the today's thought process? This POC will play a major role. What is it? This POC 17,590 to 17,600 level. Okay, this level is very important today and upcoming week till Friday. Okay, if market opening above, if market opening flat or here in this value area coming down, you just go for a CE. Please keep ESL below this value area low go, any rejection is happening here. I think there could be a 90% chances will rejection will happen on this particular POC. Okay, go for CE, direct target first this, second target this. What is the second target? Second target is 17,810, 17,810, and the first target could be 17,730. This is a one probable odds in the today's scenario. If market opening gap down, that means if market opening gap down, this area, surely you can go for a CE once the first 15 minutes candle is sustaining, open is sustaining, and you put your SL below this particular, this single print could be your SL, and direct target this high, 17,730, and we can, if market spending more time here, then market breaking this breakout also. If any boxes is creating here, then breakout is happening, then go for a direct target, this particular 17,810 target. This is a long pending target. We have to clear this anomalies. This is a poor selling was happened that day. So this is very long pending to clear this unfinished business. So today I am expecting this zone will be cleared. This is second scenario. If market opening flat not coming down, is moving up, then you can go for a CA directly after 5 minutes candle closing, 50 minutes, whatever strategy you use, you can do that. But open how to be sustained. Your SL could be below this POC and go for this target. This is third scenario. If market opening gap up in this zone, then that could be the 100, more than 100 points gap up. You know what is 100 points gap up rule? That rule will be in place today. The very simple rule, nothing else. The market is opening gap up. You know, we are discussing this many days. Okay, open was not sustaining. After opening, the red candle is first 15 minutes is red. Another 15 minutes also. Just this low is taken up. Then you can go for a PE, direct target this close. Direct target could be this close. This is the only one opportunity we have today in the case of gap up opening. But open is sustaining, then I am not ready to trade. If market after 300 points, 400 points moving up also, after gap up, I am not ready to plan for my trade on the Nifty. This is the English version, unable to do in the Malayalam. I will try to do Malayalam on the upcoming days. Thank you very much.